In this video, you will learn how you can create meetings with visual seat plans for multiple ticket tiers. First, from the Timetics dashboard, click on Add New and select One-to-Many Meeting with Visual Seat Plan. Now, let's fill out the form. Give a name for your meetings, select a date range, and add the address for the venue. Here, you can add various types of tickets, set different pricing for them, and add minimum and maximum ticket quantities for each tier. Then, set a duration for the meeting, specify the time zone, and select the people who will be hosting the event. We can customize or host available time slots directly from the meeting form as well. Once done, click Create a Meeting to move on to decorate the meeting event. Here, you can insert various types of tickets on the canvas, customize your design, and even same type of tickets as many times as you need. You can also add event levels and organize them as per your wish. Once you are done with decorating, simply select Save. Now, if we go to Meetings, we can preview the newly created meeting and share the link with attendees. Here, you can see how customers can select their seats and add guests even after staying online. Thank you for watching this video and do follow our socials.